Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful geometric progression question, and it shows that the second term of a GP exceeds the first term by 4 and the third term exceeds the second term by 12. Now find the fourth term. Now generally the formula or the end term, okay, of a geometric progression is given by this equation: t sub n equals ar to the power of n minus 1, okay, where is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is actually the number of terms there. So here we are told that the second term, okay, which implies that t sub 2 is a raised to the power of what we have plugged into here, then 2 minus 1, that will give us 1, then equals, okay, sorry, exceed the first term, okay, and we know that a is the first term. So the whole of this term now, ar, which is the second term, now exceeds the first term by 4. Okay, so the third term exceeds the second term by 12. So the third term here will then be a raised to the power of 3 minus 1, that will give us 2. Okay, so this one now is the third term. So the third term exceeds the second term. See, take note, this is the second term here. That will be ar by 12. And we are told to find the fourth term. Okay, let's make this equation 1 and let's make this equation 2. Alright, now since here we have that ar equals a plus 4 from equation 2. Oh, so this is supposed to be a raised to the power of 2. Sorry, a raised to the power of 2. Okay, so we can here have that ar from here, if we factor out r, we have ar then equals ar plus what? 12. Right, let's put this, let us say that's equation 3. Now let us plug in equation 1 into equation 3. So wherever we see ar, we will replace it with what? A plus 4. So here you have a plus 4, r plus a plus 4, that is for this, then plus 12. Okay, so if you are to open the bracket here, you have ar again plus 4r, then equals a plus 4, right, then plus 12. Okay, so here we have another ar, replace it with what? A plus 4. You have a plus 4, then plus 4r equals a plus 4, now minus plus 12. Okay, now since we have the same term, this a plus 4 here, and we have a plus 4 here, we can just what? Eliminate them. Or just something as saying, you know, subtracting a plus 4 from both sides. So it implies that this will eliminate this, 4 will also eliminate 4. So we are now left with 4r equals what? 12. And when we divide both sides by 4, our r equals what? 3. That is this cancel, that this cancel here. So since we've gotten our value of the common ratio to be 3, let's plug this into equation 1. So equation 1 becomes 3a, that is replacing our r with 3, then equals a plus what? 4. Now let's collect like term. By collecting like term, we have 3a, then take away a equals what? 4. We have 2a equals 4. Dividing both sides by 2, our a now becomes 2. That is this here 2. Okay, now that we've gotten the common ratio, we've gotten a. So let us find the fourth term. So since the fourth term here will then be a raised to the power, ar then 4 minus 1 giving us what? AR raised to the power of what? 3. So the fourth term here will now be our the value of our A is 2, then times 3, R here is what? 3. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 3, giving us 2 times 27. Then T sub 4 equals 54 as the final answer. If you love what I've just done, ensure that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be receiving every new videos in math and physics. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.